Hey, fellow doctors and healthcare professionals, are you tired of the traditional cumbersome process of writing prescriptions? Well, let me introduce you to a game changer, Prescription Maker from digitalprescriptionmaker.com. This tool is revolutionizing the way we manage our prescriptions, and I'm here to walk you through how it can help streamline your workflow and save you valuable time. First off, jump onto www.digitalprescriptionmaker.com and hit the Try Now button. Start by entering your information, name, qualifications, registration number, and contact details. And here's a perk. You only need to do this once. That's right. Once you've entered your details, Prescription Maker saves them for future use. Next, input your patient's details. We're talking about name, age, gender, and any relevant medical history. This ensures each prescription you create is personalized and precise. Now the part you've been waiting for, prescribing the medication. Just enter the drug name, dosage, frequency, and any special instructions. If you've prescribed a drug before, Prescription Maker remembers it, which makes re-prescribing a breeze. Once all the details are in, fill in the diagnosis, examination details, and any necessary investigations. Then, with a simple click on Generate Prescription, you create a professional-looking prescription PDF instantly. You can download and send it digitally or print it with a single click. For customization, you can easily change line colors, layouts, and select customization options according to your needs. Premium features include adding custom watermarks, conducting prescription analysis, and enjoying an ad-free experience. Additionally, you can customize themes, add digital signatures through Adobe Acrobat, and enable additional fields for more detailed prescriptions. And for our Android users, the app keeps records of patients and supports multiple doctors on the same device. Plus, it works completely offline, ensuring you can access patient records and create prescriptions even without internet access. Prescription Maker isn't just efficient, it's also multilingual, catering to everyone with multiple language options. This ensures that you can create prescriptions in the preferred language of your patients, enhancing their understanding and compliance. We understand how crucial privacy and data security are in the healthcare industry. That's why Prescription Maker stores all your data in your device only, giving you complete control and peace of mind. So, why wait? Head over to digitalprescriptionmaker.com today or download the app from the Play Store and take your prescription handling to the next level. Thanks for tuning in and happy prescribing. Remember, visit digitalprescriptionmaker.com or download the app from the Play Store today.